Ruten er rigtig fed, og det er fedt, at der er så mange mennesker ude, og det største DM i 20 år, vil jeg mene.
Det var svært at give den rigtig gas, når der var så glat og sådan noget.
Fra den første runde begyndte jeg ikke at kunne se klart. Det var som om, jeg skulle bruge briller.
Ja, vi er mange om budet i år, så det er en hård kamp, der skal kæmpes. Det er jo 2 gamle røvhuller, der stadig kan lige nu.
Got your smile spread all over my face, and it's a good look. And your claws have been caught in retraction. The uncertain incline of your frame has got me hooked. It could drive a pug out to distraction. But this is fucked up. Yeah, this is fucked up. So we have the scenes taking leave of your friends, whatever they took. But she waits for a break in the action. To this day, I don't know how she fits all those words into just one look. But oh, what a look it was. We were bound to provoke a reaction. But this is fucked up. Yeah, this is fucked up.
Det var en svær rute i dag, og det var virkelig marginalerne, der spillede ind her. Jeg tror også, han laver nogle fejl, hvor jeg så kommer tilbage, og sådan er gamet, altså.
Der startede løbet, men det gik sgu galt, og så kørte jeg ned. Men altså, man kan ikke være andet end tilfreds, når man får en podieplads.
If you call when you call, will you be discreet? If you call when you call, will you be discreet? If you call when you call, will you be discreet? If you call when you call. If you call when you call, will you be discreet? If you call when you call, will you be discreet? If you call when you call, will you be discreet? If you call when you call. Won't you tell me, please, if my time has come? 'Cause I'm your predator and prey rolls into one. Won't you tell me, please, if my time has come? I'm your predator and prey roll into one.
Det var sjovt, og det var det handlede om.
Ja, han er en god konkurrent, der har slået mig i de fleste cykelløb i år. Så jeg havde slet ikke regnet med, at vi ville vinde DM.
Det var en fed rute, men der var mudder, og der var nogen, der skvattede. Og sådan er det jo, når man kører cross.
Well, Loik, here at the Danish Cyclocross National Championship.
Yeah.
Seeing how people go up the mountain.
Yeah, I know it's a really unknown sport for me, but I like it, and it was good to see the Danish field, and everyone's really fit. So it was good racing, and I'm proud of what Malena did in Elite Women. So yeah, it's good.
And you are especially renowned for going down the mountain, but do you sometimes also go up?
Yeah. Actually, I did a cyclocross race earlier this winter, and it was really hard. I don't know how the body can handle such a violent effort, and especially in a thick mud like that. You know, all the corners are really slippery, so you have to be focused all the time and push so much. So it was a tough race, I think, and they did good. So next time I'd better be better. I better be fit if I want to do that.
Cool. Well, nice to see you at a Danish race.
Thank you. It was good to come. I'll see you soon again, maybe.
Nice. Thanks.
Thanks. Tak.